This is Emirates Airline. I've sat here. Right. I've been there. I've been very fortunate with this airline that one time, I sat up here. Yeah, but right now, I'm just shooting for here. And I want a window seat. I needed 48 hours before I leave to know if I can get an upgrade. Online check-in opens at 23:55 hours, New York local time today. 11:54. Can you give me one moment, please? I just need one moment. No. I need one moment. This is very important. 3 in the morning. Good morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. I've had a lot of time to plan this. I've been quite excited about this trip. Now I'm running out of time. I know. Let's see what we got in this box. Yeah. In 81, 82, I used to go to the beach by myself. Yeah, I'd go to the beach by myself, and I actually brought a mirror and I brought my camera because I wanted to take pictures of myself on the beach. I wanted to be alone with a camera and take pictures of myself. Yeah, but I also brought a boat. I wasn't comfortable with myself, and I'd go where nobody was. And anyway, yeah, so I had an inflatable raft that I bought at Kmart. We are who we are. Hopefully we're better versions of who we are, who we were. But yeah, I'm somebody who likes to go to the beach by himself, take pictures, and with a boat. You thinking about being a good boy? You think about being a good boy? Oh, your puppy sitter's coming. It's no secret that I'm excited about my trip. I'm packed. I have done dress rehearsal packing because of the logistics of bringing a boat. But I do know that for somebody who has a lot of time and a lot of wonder and a lot of worry about this trip, it's running into 3:12 in the morning. I want to walk out this door at 4. Meatball plushie, meatball stuffed animal. If there were room in my luggage, I would absolutely bring this for photo opportunities, but I'm not. However, I do believe it was like 1989. I traveled to New York and I actually brought a monkey, right? I was like a 25-year-old man, and I'm traveling with a stuffed animal monkey on the plane. Yeah. Took pictures of the monkey. Traveled with the monkey. Can I come down here? I just want to say goodbye. I love you, sweetheart. Will you behave? Will you mind your puppy sitter? Okay. All right. You're gonna be fine. What time is it?
It's 3:46 a.m.
All right.
Airport?
Yes, please. JetBlue.
Oh, okay.
JetBlue. Minutes before the lounge opens. It's not a miscalculation. I'm here very early. At one time there were storms, canceled flights. Yeah, don't feel bad for me. I am first in the lounge. And hello. I just had what someone would call the worst cup of coffee of my life. I know. And even though it was free, it still doesn't get a pass. So there's a couple new complications. For the first time, I'm not sure about the batteries that are in my checked luggage. I'm bringing extra batteries to, don't ask. I know. And he says, well, are they lithium? And I don't believe they are. I've depleted them. Well, they'll take them from you even if they're not. Okay, yeah. I have 3 flights to get where I need to be. I believe I'll be fine on this one. But I believe when I get to Newark, because I'm going to a day room, I'm going to the Hilton, I believe I'm going to unpack and just put them in a tote bag. Yeah. I don't want to take the chance. It would mean there'd be no drone flight and, yeah, some other complications. All right. Are you ready?
To Newark, local time is 9:05. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Carry-on items stowed until Captain turns off the seatbelt sign.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Good day.
Thank you.
Baggage, hotel, get organized. Welcome to Newark. Let's go outside. I've been yelled at this airport many times about filming. At one time they made me delete the footage. Oh boy. So baggage claim 6. I'm gonna getting my massive luggage, and then I'm gonna go get the shuttle and go to a hotel. So we'll talk then. We have a kayak, a 12-foot kayak. All right, hotel, shuttle, and then we have 12 hours at the Hilton. Hey, thanks. He says we leave in 10 minutes. Yeah. As I told him, I'm just happy to be here. Happy to be here.